You also get to see a lot of snakes, some harmless, but also some dangerous ones. Like this big snouted cobra, and we were allowed to handle some of them ourselves.
Always being aware of where your legs are and then also just moving slowly and gently, yeah. Don't swing it at me.
And of course, I also gave it a go.
Ga je het er zelf ook?
Ja, dat je niet prikt dan vinden.
Nee, ja, dat.
Oh ja.
It's following the movement.
But more exciting, Thomas, who used to run 3 blocks away every time he saw a snake, he handled it like a pro.
Perfect.
Look at the guy. This is not a venomous one.
He even took the brown house snake in his hands.
It's cold. Talk anymore.
It's more comfortable.